Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Google Teachable Machine. First, navigate to the Teachable Machine website. You can choose to create a new project for an image, audio, or pose model. This intuitive platform empowers you to build custom machine learning models without writing a single line of code. It's designed for accessibility, making advanced AI concepts understandable and applicable for a wide range of users. Next, you will collect data for your model. For an image project, you might gather pictures of different objects. For audio, record various sounds. Aim for at least 30 distinct examples for each category to ensure your model learns effectively. Once your data is ready, simply click the Train Model button. The training process typically takes only a few minutes, depending on your dataset size. After training, it's crucial to test your model. Use the preview panel to feed new images, sounds, or poses to your model and observe its predictions. If the model isn't performing as expected, you can easily go back and add more training examples, especially for cases where it made errors. This iterative process of testing and refining helps achieve a highly accurate and reliable model. Finally, you can export your custom-trained model. Teachable Machine offers several export options, including TensorFlow.js for web-based projects, TensorFlow Lite for mobile applications, and a Python format for desktop use. This allows you to seamlessly integrate your unique model into your own projects, whether it's a website, an app, or an interactive installation. The process is straightforward and efficient.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.